Okay, here we go. Before we begin, you want to sit, get a little body awareness. Sitting on this ball requires some stability, some balance, some awareness of your body and space. If you're not careful, you can lose your balance. You can fall. So we start with a little rolling, lean back. I use this to stabilize myself. Feet up against the chimney area here. Get a little upper back stretch. Raise both arms. You can do one. Alternate. Breathe. Let your body just kind of fall into the ball. And then come back up. So this takes some core. Careful. Now I'm going to lay the poster in the hand. Excuse me. Roll forward. Stretch. Just hold. Inhale, exhale. Now I'm going to stretch my upper back. Like I mentioned, my tightness on my back and my shoulders kind of gave me a headache. So let's let go of that. Release. Rotate. Back and forth. Then I hold this. Hold it, stretch down, get that hamstring to loosen up. Other side. Lean back slowly and gently. Hold where you feel the stretch. No pain, just a pull. Now sitting on my, or standing on my knees, leaning back. This stretches my quads, my hips, my knees, my ankles, lower back. When I lean forward, side muscles, trunk muscles. Then I reach, rotate. Lift. End off with a couple of cat stretches, cobra stretches. And back. And just sit in silence for a few seconds. That's it. And just continue with our day. Now that particular exercise I demonstrated, it's just mobility, stretching, body awareness in your space, in your area. Move forward, move back, sit on the ball, rotate around. I just demonstrated a couple minutes of it, but you're going to continue doing that for a duration of maybe 5 minutes. Now I just did it this morning, then you're going to do it later in the afternoon. I'm going to do it maybe 3 more times today, 5, 6 times on Sunday. The key is to keep moving, rely on your endorphins, adrenaline, natural chemicals, no pills, no drugs. Do that every day.